Hi guys, welcome to Step by Step PowerPoint. Are you a teacher? Do you like to have a cool presentation for your student as same as you see? Don't miss this tutorial. It's so interesting and easy. Let's start. For creating that presentation, in first step, you should insert your pictures. Go to Picture and add your pictures. Put your main picture in the first slide, choose Others, and put them in order as same as you see in this tutorial. Go to Arrange. Select your picture first and then go to Arrange, Align, and Align Distribute horizontally. Okay, and then move them. And the second step, go to Insert and choose Shapes. Choose these shapes, oval, and draw it as same as you see. Put it in the middle of this slide. Change its color to the white and remove outline. Make a copy of this shape. By Control key, you can copy of this shape. Okay, let's see what's happened until here. Okay, you can move them. Okay, it's better. Now, duplicate your slide. Select all of your picture and move them. Okay, see what's happened? Duplicate your slide again and do the same things for other picture. If you won't have cover for your slides, select your first slide, duplicate it, and then move it to the first one. Okay. Select these shapes and move it. Select the second one and move it. Select the pictures that are in the right and move them to the right. Select 3 pictures that are in the left and move them to the left. Okay. Select your main picture and maximize it and cover the whole of the slide. Okay. And then you can add text on your picture. Add text box and write your topic. Change its size and formats. You can add any effect on your text. Select it. Go to Shape Format and Text Effect. Also, you can add animation to your text. Select your text, go to Animation, and choose the animation that is best for your text. I choose this animation. Okay, for your other slides, you can add text. For example, in this presentation, you can add text about your name of your animals. Copy of this text, go to your next slide and paste it. Change the color and size of this text. the key point is go to Animation tab, Animation pane, and choose this one. Go to More and start it with Previous. Click on this. Do the same for your other pictures. For the last step, select all your slide and go to Transition and choose Morph Transition. Okay, let's see what's happened. Go to your first slide and next go to Slideshow. Let's start. I'm sure that with your creativity, you can have a great presentation for your business, for your teaching, or any other thing that you want. Please, please, please don't forget, subscribe our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Don't miss our other videos. Thank you a lot.